Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A pickup truck can be considered a commercial vehicle even though it is not a traditional semi-truck or big rig truck under certain circumstances. Gross vehicle weight rating. If the vehicle itself has a gross vehicle weight rating of 26,001 pounds or more, that is a commercial motor vehicle, CMV.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You cannot convert all commercial vehicles to private use. You can convert only those vehicles that can be converted. E.g., you can convert an Indica, any other car, SUV to private use. But you will not be able to convert a truck to private use.
Let's help you make your mark.
A commercial driver's license will allow individuals to drive commercial vehicles, meaning vehicles for work purposes. Non-commercial driver's license holders will only be able to drive private vehicles with a few exceptions. A non-CDL license will allow you to drive passenger vehicles, trucks, vans, and SUVs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Number 11. Simply put, yes, in California pickups are considered commercial vehicles. Although they are not required to have GVW declarations or any of the other hassles of having a real, commercial vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most pickups are considered light commercial vehicles, LCVs, so they are taxed differently to conventional company cars. Simply put, benefit in kind, BIC, is set at a flat rate, irrespective of CO2 emissions or price.
Take our lead.
A pickup truck will not generally require a DOT number because the weight of most such vehicles falls under the 10,000-pound threshold. Pickup trucks and trailers rarely transport passengers for compensation, let alone 9 or more. Therefore, FMCSA requirements generally don't apply to pickup trucks.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is normally correct to register a car as a passenger vehicle, even when it is used for business. A passenger car used to give rides for hire must be registered as a taxi or livery. For example, many pickup trucks that are never used for business are registered as commercial vehicles.
Take our lead.
The Ford Ranger Wildtrak is proof that you can use a workhorse commercial vehicle as an everyday car. It's big, but the Ranger is pretty easy to drive and has 4 doors plus space for 5. That makes it as usable as any SUV. Don't lose sight of the fact that this is a commercial vehicle first and foremost.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.